once again, and today we will discuss small topic from reasoning, that is intelligence test. It's said to be series. So in series we have 2 to 3 type of models, that is letter series, number series and mixed series. But whatever the series, you have to by heart the square values up to 30 squares and 30 cubes. You have to by heart up to 30 squares and 30 cubes. And mainly the series depends upon the two models, that is difference and multiplication. So we have to concentrate on difference and multiplication models only for the entrance examination for both the standards. So 6th and 10th, 6th and 9th. So basing on this thing, what are the questions they generally ask in the examination? We'll do nearly 30 questions. So after getting 30 questions, and if we cover 30 questions, we'll be getting a clear-cut idea how to take the question from intelligence test of series. So students, we shall see the very first question in today's session, that is the series. So in series we have letter series, number series, mixed series. So different models in series. But you have to follow any type of series, only 3 cases, that is the difference, case number 1, case number 2 is multiplication, and case number 3 is some logical based questions on series. So getting more marks in intelligence pattern is very easy. So try to do number of questions. You try to follow 6th class students videos also, that gives you number of questions to do. So from that you can score number of marks in the section of reasoning. Now you see the question number 1 here. Now as I said that you try to focus on 3 models, that is difference or multiplication or some logic. If you see by seeing the numbers, you can see that pattern is in the case of increasing, or try to see the difference, that is 6 and 11 is plus 5, 11 and 21 that is plus 10, and 21 and 36 there is nothing but plus 15, 36 and 56 is plus 20. If you see plus 5, plus 10, plus 15, plus 20, and the next number should be plus 25. If we add 25 to 56, that will be 81 is your answer. Students, if you see the question number 2 here, 4832, 5840, 6848. The numbers are in the case of increasing pattern. Now try to see the difference. So 4832 and 5840, the increasing pattern is nothing but plus 1008. So similarly 5840 is also the difference of 1008. So similarly if you add plus 1008 to 6848, that gives you 7856. So your answer is 7856. But this pattern, this question can be done. This question can be done in another rule also. If you see here, friends, 4832, 5840, 6848. So we have to find our answer. Now we see here 48, 58, 68, and next pattern should be 78. So the difference of 32 and 40, that is plus 8. 40 and 48, that is plus 8. And also if you add 8 to 48, the answer should be 7856 is the answer. So students, if you see this question is also can be done in another pattern also. 4832, 5840, 6848. So next we have to find. So we see here 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 40. So obviously you will getting the options. So in option, in what pattern you will see in the case of multiplying of the very beginning of the 2 numbers, that gives the remaining 2 numbers as your answer. That can be seen in the option as 7856. There is definitely 7 8s are 56 is your answer. This question can be done in 3 ways, that is difference, logical also. If you see the question number 3 here, 10, 100, 200, 310 and dash. Now as I said that try to find out in the case of difference, as the numbers are all in the case of increasing pattern. So the difference between 10 and 100 is nothing but plus 90, 100 and 200 is plus 100, and 200 and 310 that is plus 110. Suddenly you will be getting as plus 120. If you add 120 to 310, the answer is 430. So 430 is your answer. So we see the next question, question number 4, that is 0 to 8, 14, dash 34. As the numbers are all in the pattern of increasing, you try to see the difference here. The difference of the 2 numbers 0 and 2, there is nothing but plus 2. 2 and 8 is nothing but plus 6. 8 and 14 is also plus 6. So we have to find the number here. So if you see here 2, 6, 6. For an example, difference of 2 and 6 is nothing but 4. Again the number remains here. If I considered as 10 is here, For example, in the case of gap of 4 here, if I am considering as the gap of 10 here, adding 10 to 14, that is 24. Again 24 to 34, that is plus 10. So the series pattern matches. Plus 2, plus 6, plus 6, plus 10, plus 10 again. Plus 14, plus 14, plus 18, plus 18, and series continues. So the answer is 24 is your right answer. The question number 5 here, the numbers given as 125, 80, 45, 45, 20. Of course, it is in the decreasing pattern. Now try to see the difference. Difference of 125 and 80, that is nothing but 45. 80 and 45, that is nothing but 35. 45 and 20, that is nothing but 25. 45, 35, 25, and number here, the difference should be 15. 20 minus 15, the answer is 5. If you see the question number 6 here, 1, 5, 13, 25, 41 is given, and try to see the difference. 1 and 5 is nothing but plus 4, and 5 and 13, that is plus 8. 13 and 25, that is nothing but 12, and similarly 25 to 41, that is nothing but 16. So plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16. It's a gap of 4 for 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 4 4s are, 4 5s are, that should be 20. If we add 20 to 41, the answer is nothing but 61 is your answer. The question number 7 here, 6, 17, 39, 72. As the numbers in the continuous increasing order, try to find the difference. The difference between 6 and 17 is nothing but plus 11. 17 and 32, 39 that is plus 22. 39 and 72, that is nothing but plus 33. Next, that should be plus 44. If we add 44 to 72, that is nothing but 116 is your answer. See the question number 8 here. The pattern is, he has given from right hand side to left hand side. Up to question number 7, we had done from left to right. By seeing the pattern of question number 8 from right to left, we can understand that this is the case of multiplication, because the number 2 starts in the very beginning of the series and the number ending with 240. Single number started with the number ending with 240. That is 3 numbers. Obviously, that is definitely the case of multiplication. Now we see here 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 43s are 120, 122s are 240. Of course, 241s are 240. So your answer is nothing but 240 is your answer. Now we shall see the question number 9 here. 9, 27, 31, 155, 161, 1127. By seeing the pattern, apparently it signals us it's in the case of multiplication. So it's the key, its key giving is that it's the case of multiplication, because a single number started at 9 and is ending with 4 numbers. Of course, 1127. Now we see here, if I considered every 2 numbers as a set of numbers, now from clearly it is saying that 9 3s are 27 here, 31 5s are 155, 161 7s are 1127. It's into 3 into 5 into 7. But we want to know the number here. There is no other number to multiply with 9 so that we get answer. So if you see the difference between 27 and 31 is plus 4, and 155 and 161, that is plus 6. And similarly 1127 and 11. So next number should be the addition of plus 8. Plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. If we add plus 8 to 1127, the answer should be 1135. So 1135 is your answer. Now if you see the question number 10 here, question number 10, by seeing the question number 10, see when the numbers are very nearer, or 2, 3, 3, 5, when very near, or in the case of zigzagging, increasing, decreasing, or decreasing, increasing, definitely it is the case of logic or alternate series. If you see, if you consider every 2 numbers as a set of numbers, 2, 2, 3, 2 becomes 2, that is plus 1, 3 becomes 5, that is plus 2, 10 becomes 13, that is plus 3, and what is the number you add to particular number, plus 4, that becomes 43. Obviously there is nothing but 39, or if not, 43 minus 4, definitely that will be giving 39. So see here, 172 plus 5, 177. So by consulting every 2 numbers as a number, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. So your answer is 39 is your answer. So if you see the question number 11 here, 1, 3, 4, 8, 15, 27. So if you can find out the difference here, see if you 1 and 3, the difference is 2, and 3 and 4 is 1, and 4 and 8 is 4. Again, it confuses you a lot. So now when there is taking the difference also we are not getting the answer, then definitely it's the case of some logic. So if you see here, 1 plus 3 plus 4, there is nothing but 8. If you add the very first 3 numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 4, there is nothing but 8. Again, next three numbers, 3 plus 4 plus 8, that is 7 plus 8 is nothing but 15. Again, next three numbers, 4 plus 8 plus 15, that is nothing but 12 plus 15, that is nothing but 27. Similarly, next three numbers, 8 plus 15 plus 27, that is 8 plus 15, 23 plus 27, the answer is nothing but 50. So, 50 is your answer. See the question number 12 here, 625, 5, 125, 25, 25 dash 5 is asked. So the only idea to solve this question, see, when the numbers are in the case of zigzagging or the numbers are very nearer numbers, then it's the case of either logic or alternative series. Now if we see here 625, 125, 25, 5. There is nothing 5 power of 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power of 4. Similarly 5, 25 and the next number. That should be 5 power of 1. This is nothing but 5 square. And the answer should be 5 cube, that is nothing as 125, and this is the case of alternative series. Question number 13 here, 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 11 by 21, 16 by 31. So by seeing this pattern we can conclude that the denominator pattern numbers are greater when compared with the numerator. That is point number 1. See, by segregating these two patterns, numerator differently and denominator differently we can do, but it takes time. Now see the shortcut here. What is the difference between 3 and 2? 1. The difference between 7 and 4, that is 3. Now dash 21 and 11, that is 10. And 31 and 16, that is 15. Now see here, the difference of 10 and 15, it is 5. Okay. The difference of 1 and 3, that is nothing but that is 2 here, plus 2 plus 5. If I consider the difference of this number and the previous number to that one is plus 3. If I place 7 here, 3 and 7, that is the difference. 3 and 6, the difference is plus 3. And again 6 to 10, the difference is plus 4. So the difference, the number, by taking the numerator and denominator difference, the number should be 6 here. So in what option, in which option, the difference 6 you can examine. That is clearly in the case of 7 by 13, because the difference of 7 and 13 is nothing but 6. So the answer is 7 by 13 is the right answer. See the question number 14 here, 3, 10, 29, 66, 127. So by seeing the pattern, if you are aware on squares and cubes perfectly, definitely you can solve the question without putting pen on the paper. So 127 is very much nearer to 125. That is nothing but 5 cube. 5 cube is nothing but 125 plus 2. 66 is very much cube, that is 4 cube. 4 cube plus 2. This is also 27, that is 3 cube plus 2. This is also 8, 2 cube plus 2. This is also 1. There is nothing but 1 cube plus 2. 1 cube plus 2, 2 cube plus 2, 3 cube plus 2, 4 cube plus 2, 5 cube plus 2. So answer is 6 cube plus 2, that is 216 plus 2. The answer is 218 is your answer. See the question number 15 here, 2, 12, 20, 36, 80, 150 dash is given. So by seeing these numbers, we can, because these numbers are not even closer to squares or cubes, so definitely this is a case of difference. The difference of 2 and 12 is nothing but plus 10, 12 and 36, that is plus 24, 36 and 80, that is nothing but 44, and 80 plus 150, that is nothing but 70. By seeing the pattern, there is no proper order here. Can you find any proper order? There is no finding proper order. So again, what you do, you again do the difference of the difference of the numbers. 10 and 24, that is plus 14. 24 and 44, that is plus 20. 44 and 70, that is nothing but 26. That is plus 14, 20, 26. That is clearly 14, 20. Again, if you see here 14 and 20, that is plus 6. Now again, it is plus 6. Now if we add 6 to 26, that should be 34. If we add 6 to 26 to 6, that gives to 32, sorry. 32. 26 plus 6, 32. Again, if we add 32 to 70, that should be 102. Now we add 102 150, that is nothing but 152. Sorry, 252 is your answer. So the answer is 252. This is the case of double difference of the numbers. This is also difference, but it's the case of double difference of the numbers. So if you see the question number 16, this is said to be letter series. By seeing the pattern, as I said in the lesson coding and decoding, that is pairing letters or opposite letters. That formula workouts here, that theory workouts here. AZ is the pair opposite letters, CX opposite letters FU. But you see AZ, after AZ, BY should come. CX. After CX, DW should come. And next EB should come. See here, between two pattern AZ and CX, one pairing letter gap. Between second pattern and third pattern, two pairing letters gap. And between third pattern, your answer pattern should be 3 letters should be gap. That is GT, HS, IR. You have to take it away. Now you have to put the answer as JQ is equals to. Now we see the question number 17 here. GH, JL, NQ, SW, YD has given. You see here. Just try to put the numbers of the particular letters here. G is 7, H is 8, 10, 12, 14, 17, 19, 23, 25 and 4. 7 and 8 is the difference plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Because 26 plus 4. That is 26, 1 letter plus 4, that is plus 5. So you have to find the gap of plus 6 between the two letters. If you have to find the gap of plus 6 between the two letters. So in your options, so you can find in the options as that is nothing but EJ, FJ, EL and FL. So you have to find EL, FL. So if you see the gap of the options, if you see the option EJ, FJ and EL and FL, if you place here, FL is your option. What is the number for F? 6 and L is 12. 6 and 12. What is the difference of 6 and 12? That is 6. So your answer is nothing but FL. If not, the options as EJ, FJ and EL. If you see the remaining 3 options also, E is 5, J is 10. Plus 5, it is not carrying. F is 6, J is 10. That is plus 4. That is not carrying. E is 5, L is 12. That is 5, 12 plus 7. That is not also carrying. The gap should be plus 6. That is only in the option as option 4. F is 6, L is 12. There is a gap of 6. So answer is FL is your answer. The question number 18, try to figure out each individual pattern of the alphabets. That is P16, 16, O15, N14, M13, next letter should be 12, 12 is nothing but L. Similarly for the second pattern, M13, O15, Q17, S19, addition of plus 2, that is 21 is nothing but U, T20, S19, R18, Q7, decreasing of minus 1, 16. 16 is nothing but P. So your answer is nothing but LUP is your answer. If you see the question number 19, question number 19 is very much similar to the question number 18. Now try to find out the gap of the individual pattern ABD 1, 2, 4, that is plus 1, plus 2 gap. DGK, that is 4, 7, 11, that is plus 3, plus 4 gap. That is 8, 13, 19, that is plus 5, plus 6 gap. That is 13, 22, there is nothing but plus 7, plus 8 gap. Here you can see 19, 2 and 12. There is nothing but plus 9 and plus 10 is the gap. So again, so the answer pattern should be plus 11 and plus 12 the gap. We have to find out the individual gap of the letters. There is nothing but plus 11 and plus 12. That can be clearly seen in the case of ZKW. The option says ZK. Z is nothing but 26 and K is nothing but 11. Directly add 11. And what is 12 here? 23. 11 plus 12 is nothing but 23. So the answer is ZKW is your answer. If you see question number 20 here, question number 20 is individual gapping 4, 8, 12. That is plus 4, plus 4, 16, 20, 24. That is plus 4, plus 4, 2, 6, 10. That is nothing but plus 4, plus 4. 8. So in the options also, every option got plus 4 gap of every individual option in all ABCD options. Now see here, L becomes P here. L is 12 and P is 16, that's plus 4. 24 becomes 2 here. Again X to B, this is nothing but plus 4 in the pattern of series. J is 10. If we add 4 to 10, that should be 14. 14th letter is nothing but N, and the option is nothing but NRB is your answer. If you see question number 21, that is a mixture of letters and numbers. Now we see here pattern Z is 26. X is 24, Y is 22, T is 20, R is 18, P is 16. So if you see the gap of decreasing of 2 here, minus 2. So 16 minus 2, that will be 14. 14 should be your answer as N. So options must start with N. Now let's see the third pattern of letters. A is 1, D is 4, and J is 7, J is 10, N is 13, B is 16. That is the case of adding plus 3 to each and every case. So P, that is 16 plus 3, that will be 19. 19 is nothing but the letter S. So NS, by finding NS in the options, you can directly put down the option, no problem. But if you want to see the numbers also, 1, middle case 1, 2, 6, 21, 88, and also the number 4, 4, 5. So if you see here, 1, 2, 2, the case of 1, 2, 6, 21, 44. Now if you see here, this can be considered as 1 into 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 into 2 plus 2, that is nothing but 6. And 6 into 3 plus 3, that is nothing but 21. And similarly 21 into 4, that is 84 plus 4, that is nothing but 88. Similarly 88 into 5 plus 5. 5 8s are 44 carry, 5 8s are 44, 40 plus 5, that is 445. That is clear. So similarly again with 445 into 6 plus 6, 6 5s are 33 carry, 6 4s are 24, 27 2 carry, 24 plus 2, that is 2670 plus 6, that is nothing but 2676. So your answer is N2676S is your answer. If you see the question number 22, it's also a case of mixed series. If you see the numbers first, 3, 6, 11, 18, next what is the number? 3 and 6, that is plus 3, that is plus 5 and plus 7. So similarly if you add plus 9, that is nothing but 27 here. So answer must start with the number 27. Now you see the characters, that is the letters, that is F, G, I, L, 6, 7, 9, 12. The difference between 6 and 7 is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, next number should be plus 4. Plus 4 is nothing but 16. The character for 16 is nothing but P. So the answer is 27P is your answer. I think the question number 23, you can directly say that the answer as ending number should be as 121 because this is 12 square, 11 square, 10 square, 9 square, 8 square, decreasing pattern. Now if you see the number, letters S and 8, S is 19, Q is 17, gap is minus 2, O is 15, gap is minus 2. So similarly W is 23, minus 2, that will be 21. 21 is the letter is nothing but U, and 21 to 19 is also minus 2. Therefore the answer is U121 is your answer. So question number 24, if you see with the individual pattern, now first we do with the numbers 1, 2, 6, 21, and what is the number in the middle of the answer pattern. If you see 1 and 21 becomes 2, there is nothing but 1 into 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 2. Similarly 2 into 2 plus 2, there is nothing but 6. 6 into 3 plus 3, there is nothing but 21. And similarly 21 into 4 plus 4, there is nothing but 88. So the middle number should be 88. If you see the first Q is 17, 19, 21, 23. The pattern of plus 2 for each individual letter, plus 2, 23 plus 2, 25 is nothing but Y. So similarly the end letter F is 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2 should be B. So answer is Y88B is your answer. So if you see the question number 25 here, the 25 we just find out the numbers 2, 4, 7, dash 16 and 22 here. 2 plus 4 that is plus 2, plus 3 and definitely it should be plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 9, 11 because you see the pattern 11 plus 16 is plus 5. 16 plus 22 that is plus 6. The pattern continues. The series pattern continues. If you see the last letters Z26, 24, 22, minus 2. If you minus 2 from 22 that will be 20, that is T, 18 and 16. Again the pattern matches 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16. Now see the first letter J is 10, K is 11, that is plus 1. Of course, I is 9. 11 minus 2 is minus 2. Of course, it is the case of plus 1 minus alternative. Maybe the case of alternative. Next, if the case should be plus 3. I is 9 plus 3. Plus 3 should be 12. 12 is nothing but 11. L. So therefore, now it is 12. H is 8. Now it should be minus 4. That's carries okay. Now 8 is H is 8. Next should be 5. 30, M is 13. Therefore, 8 plus 5 is nothing but 30. So, plus 1, minus 2, plus 3, minus 4, plus 5. The pattern continues. Therefore, the answer is L, 11, T is your answer. Individual gapping of the pattern. So, question number 26 is the case of series also. This is another model in the case of series. Now, try to see how I am doing. This model is important. Already in 2020, we got the question regarding this pattern. If you see, including with the spaces, count the characters. Including with the spaces, count the characters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 3, 3, 3, 3 and again 3. So this is a case of 15 including the spaces. Now what is the practice for 15? It is nothing but 3 5s are. 3 5s are nothing but 15. Now what you do here, now with every 3 spaces you segregate this pattern. Now with every 3 spaces you segregate this pattern. Now if you see in the case of alternative, for example, if I placed here A, there is nothing but ABC. If I placed here B, there is nothing but BCA. If I placed here C, there is CAB. If I placed here B, ABC. If I placed here D, there is nothing but BCA. Now answer is ABC, BCA, CAB. Again the pattern continues. ABC, BCA, the pattern continues. Therefore now the answer is ABC, BB. They are substitute characters. ABC, BCA, CAB. One pattern. Again the pattern continues. ABC, BCA, CA. So your answer is nothing but ABC, BB is your answer. Now again question number 27 is also similar to question number 26. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, including with the spaces. So you got 12, the factors of 12 is nothing but 4 3s are, if not 3 4s are. Now what I am doing, for every 4 numbers, I am segregating this pattern in the case. So the first letter is B, B here. The second letter is A here. Now I substitute A here. Now the last letter should be C here. Now if you see the third letter is B, third letter is B, and the third letter should be here. Now the pattern is BABC, BABC, BABC. Now the answer is substituted characters are BACC. The answer is BACC is your question. Number 28 is also similar to the previous one. Now just count including with the dash spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 we got, so the factor for 16 is nothing but 4 4s are. We segregate for every 4 letters or 4 characters. Now we see here BC. If you see the last character here, in every last character we find AA. So the answer is BCA, BCAA, 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 and BCAA. The substitute characters are ACAB is your answer. See the question number 29. Now I said to count including the spaces, we got 15. The factors are 5 3s are. Now you do that for every 5 characters you segregate. So if you see the last pattern NCP, NCP, now here also NCP. Now see the first character is A. But we don't know the second character to place. Because every second character is integer. Now according to the options, what we placed in the second character here, C, A and also A dash. In where you can find that CA dash A except only in the case of option 4. Now we have, by taking this option, AB and CB is your answer. So answer is, the pattern is nothing but option 4. See the question number 30 here. If you count all the characters, we will be getting 16 characters. So 16, the factors are nothing but 4 4s are. For every 4 characters, you segregate it. So if you see the pattern here, in the middle TU, so TU, and first characters are, the last character is. First characters are, the last character is. Therefore the answer is RTUS. So you substitute with the characters RSURTS is your answer. These are the 30 questions from the chapter series. So my suggestion is that try to cover 6th class videos also, watch 6th class videos also, because more number of questions, that will be great help for you in practicing the number of questions, because in getting complete marks and reasoning is very easy. So try to focus on these things. So any new students or new viewers watching my video, kindly subscribe, share it and like it, and tap the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.